Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is the Modified Crew and I am your daily driver, Mark Herman. So today I have a very exciting special episode. I am gonna go ahead and attempt to nitrous oxide or NOS my car. There she is right there. And I'm gonna go and attempt to do this using whipped cream. All right, guys, I don't know if you know this, but the propellant in whipped cream is actually nitrous oxide. So we're gonna try to take that minus the whipped cream and feed it in the car and see if we can get some extra horsepower. Anyways, we got a lot to do, so let's go ahead and get started right now. All right, 67,900 miles on the clock. No check engine lights, no warning lights of any kind. The car has been great. I need some whipped cream for my next mod, brother.
Oh, is that what we're doing? Where are you going for this fabulous whipped cream?
I think that you like to do the 99. All right, let's do this. Mad mission. Straight to the toy aisle. Oh, I like your moves. They got Hershey's caramel whipped cream, 2 for $99, 50 cents a pop. And there's a bunch.
And it tastes better.
Yes, that's our only option. That's what we're getting, guys. I think a good 10 shot would do it. Boom. All right, let's do this. She's looking good. All dirty, actually. I felt bad for her. Not bad. All right, guys, we're at AutoZone. I need some hose so I can rig this up. I'm gonna go in through the PCV valve. Hopefully this is the same diameter. And it looks like it will be. Sweet. So I'm just gonna roll in there and then ask if he has hose to fit this. Hose? Do you guys have hose?
Well, there's a couple guys. They're over here. We have a radiator hose or?
No, like just raw hose, like clear hose.
Okay, over here. Are you making a beer bong or what?
No, it's for a project, a video that I'm doing.
We do have it, but it's black. It's not clear.
Okay, it's black. Okay. Yeah, see, that's the type of hose I'm looking for, but
$3.99.
larger diameter.
That's what it's going around?
There's other things, but yeah.
You don't think that would fit around it? Oh, other things also? I don't want to know.
I think it needs to be a little
sure,
larger
it needs
than
to be
that.
wider.
Yeah. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
All right, have a good one.
Dude, you know what you need? Avocado and hot dog air freshener. Oh, cut you off at the pass.
That lady's like, oh, you need it bigger than
No, dude.
All right, guys, we're pretty much at Home Depot. We're gonna see what options we have to directly feeding the fluffy whippets into the car while reducing potential for damage.
My life is a mod life.
All right, let's do this. Let's go inside.
My life is a mod life, mod life.
All right, we're here at Home Depot. Let's get what we need, sir. All right, guys, this looks like it's gonna be the best thing that we have here. So I got the tip to the whipped cream. It's a little large. So what I'm thinking is I could put some tape around it and maybe a worm clamp, something like that, but this will fit on the PCV valve. So this should be perfect as far as that goes. So hopefully 10 feet's enough. And let's go ahead and get some hardware for it. So I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna have one reach, well, I'm gonna split off on these, just go 4 to 2 to 1, kind of like a header would do. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these bad boys as far as that goes. Now we need to figure out a catch can situation. Okay, so for the next thing, for the catch can, I think I'm gonna use a bottle and then use like a hose adapter to these, put them in the bottle, and hopefully that works out. So hopefully we could get good pressure on this. Boom.
Give me more. Give me.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Say you're welcome.
You're welcome. Okay guys, we are back at the house. I have all the supplies I need, so let's go ahead and get this thing built. All right, we got this thing built. This is what it looks like. Let's go install it in the car. Okay, here we go. We got it installed on the PCV valve, run it all the way into the cabin, through the side here, into here. You know, typically you need a bottle warmer for your nitrous. I just threw it in the trunk, let them get all hot, and that way they'll be nice and pressurized when we want to open them up. Bro, what do you think of my new mod? Do you think it'll work?
Well, I think we're gonna hear, and that's about it.
Terrible. This is gonna be the first test. We're gonna turn on the road, then we're gonna pretty much go. From a stop, go. Going into height. 60. Go. Going into height. 60. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna get the nitrous out of the truck, brother. All right. Man, look at that. Here's the setup, boys. You hold all 4 cans together and you press here when I say go, baby, go. That's pretty ingenious. And then it comes, feeds through the lines, goes into the catch can, and then comes out. Go ahead and give me a little nitrous to see if we have any response. Oh, did you feel it?
Felt something.
All right, guys, we're ready. I'm gonna have to switch to GoPro. I cannot man a camera while driving and controlling a nitrous car. All right, let's do this. All right, brother, you ready for this? Hit nitrous when I say go.
Right here?
No, I'll tell you when.
We don't have enough room to get up to 80
All right,
miles an hour.
3, 2, 1. Nitrous run, go. Go, 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 baby, go. 60. All right, we made it back safe. No check engine lights. I put the car back to stock, and I crunched the numbers. Fastest time in the car was 10.4 seconds. That was fastest stock time. Fastest nitrous time was 10.4 seconds.
That's samesies.
It's the same. It was fun doing it, guys. Anyways, we got more good stuff like this coming. You want to try it yourself? Go ahead and let us know in the comments below. If you do try it yourself, put your link in there, hit me up. I would love to see anybody else who tries this and what their results are. So anyways, I love having you guys and I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Blah, blah, blah. Captain Big Beard out.